5,000 today already.
Oh, already? What's driving that? Dow?
Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy.
Morning. What's up, guys?
Guys, we're having a big pop, up $5,000 today. Let's take a look at the screens here and get things going. We are looking fantastic.
Jilliard.
Take a look here at Facebook's popping back up to about 190. We have Halliburton breaking 10 bucks. Let's bring that up for you guys. They said they can't hear me. You're gonna have to talk to them for a bit. Talk to them, tell them what's going on. Let me fix this microphone.
Still can't hear Dave? Can you guys hear me?
There's a Boeing VA, Boeing point back at the open now, 136.02.
There we go. You guys should be able to hear me fine now.
Can you guys hear now?
4%.
Let me know if you guys can hear me now. We should be good. Alrighty, great. Wonderful, guys. Alrighty, so big climb today. I'm going to start locking in profits right now. Let me share with you guys the screen here.
Shares of Gilead moving lower as well, up about 5% now, pulling back 82.91 on GILD.
We're up over $4,000 today. I'm going to start locking in some profits, guys. Delta trades up 60%. I'm going to lock in some profits on that. I'm up 1,700. Sell to close. Let's see, let's see if we could get 4.80. Sell to close. Nope, went sell 4.8. Let's go to order status here. Order status, it's live. I'm going to change that to oh, 4.5. That's sold. Sold at, let's see, order status here was completed. 4.50 Delta. We closed out Delta, 4.5 text alert, app alert, everything. That's about a 70% gain. Facebook, that is soaring here. I think I'm going to hold on to Facebook. Our Halliburton trades up 30%. Our USO trades up $700 today. That's a nice climb on the USO trade today.
With that reverse split too, right?
Yep, with that reverse split. Alrighty, so now, let me see, what else do I want to do? I still have that RCL June 19th 45 call. That's up 35%. That was down 80% before. Now it's only down 38%.
Nice pickup.
Yeah. And guys, let me show you guys. I was telling Efrain about this. Remember the Facebook trade you guys were so worried about? Take a look at this, because this is really, really important for you guys to understand. All right, so look at Facebook, guys. Remember the past 2 days here? You saw this retracement. This retracement right here, we pulled back, and we came down to that 10-day simple moving average. We came down to that 10. What happened? We had a big pop. The trade plan is golden, and the trade plan is key. For those 2 days, you might have been down a little bit on that Facebook trade, right, if you got in at the high there. Now, it's back in the green. It's up nicely. I'm up $2,000 on Facebook today as she continues to break out here. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute chart.
I think what a lot of traders do is they micromanage during the day for swing trades.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Especially when we set targets and stops.
You know what? I'm going to take these gains on Facebook for right now. Let's see, 11.80. Let's see, 11.85. I'm going to go up to 11.9. Let's see if it'll close at 11.9. Just closed, guys. We just closed out Facebook. Let's see what it got filled for. Order status. That was a nice gain on that. I was up big on that. All right, so that filled at 11.98, and now it's taken off big here. I'm going to be re-entering into Facebook, but just wanted to get that for now. Alrighty, so we completed that. You have that. Send that app alert, text alert. Close it out in the email. Halliburton trades up 30%. That's for the January 2021, so I'm gonna hold on to that. I could
And
take
we said we also
I could take profits and re-enter, which you know what,
Yeah,
that's a
what- I
good
think that's
idea.
what
I'm
you
gonna
said.
do that.
And,
I'm up 30%. Here's
what do you-
Halliburton. We're closing it out now.
what do you think about adding for trade plan?
That's what I was
Trade
thinking
challenge.
about doing that for a trade challenge.
Okay.
Let's see, 2.75. Let's see if it fills. Nope, did not fill at 2.75. It's still live, as you can see in the background here. Let's change that Halliburton. Now, I like locking in profits, guys. You know me.
Let's do it, and we can jump right back in with
Let's
profits.
see, 2.7. Let's see if it fills at 2.7. There we go. She filled at 2.70 Halliburton. We are out of Halliburton. There goes Facebook taking off again. Already up over $3,000 realized for the day. Let's see, what else do I want to lock in here? I'll hold on to that for now. Let's see. Yeah, Joel, we'll talk about 3M in a second here. We have the June 19th Expo on 3M. 3M looks great, and I'm going to be adding to 3M. But for right now, let's look and manage these other trades and see what we're going to do here. Let's see here. RCL's up 46% today. Wow. That trade's going to be going in the green. I mean, not the green. Yeah, the green soon. Let's take a look at RCL 3-month daily. Look at the pop on RCL here. RCL has earnings today?
RCL's all
After
the
the
cruise
bell or
lines.
before?
No, not today. But cruise lines and airlines are up big.
No,
today.
RCL has earnings today.
Is it today?
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if they reported this morning or after the bell. I'm not sure. Let me look though. I want to get into another trade here on Halliburton. Look at that chart here on Halliburton. It looks like she could quickly and easily get to 1250. So let me share with you guys this USO trade now, so you guys can see exactly what's going on.
Circuit breaker now, MESA.
Let's see here. Let's see Facebook. If I want to re-enter that now. Alrighty, Facebook pulled back a little bit there from the highs. That's nice. I might get into Facebook now again, guys. Let's take a look at the option chain. When does Facebook report? Today after the bell, right?
After the bell. Big bell.
What do you guys
today.
think? Do you want to get into a Facebook trade right before earnings? I think this is honestly going to get back up to 200 bucks. Let's see here. Maybe I'll do a spread for this week's expo on Facebook.
I love it. Low risk.
Yeah.
Earnings trade. Low risk earnings trade.
Well, there's no such thing as a low risk earnings trade. But
lower risk.
Starting next week, will open significant number of Starbucks stores in the U.S.
192. Let's see, 190, 192.50. What's that going for? That's going for a midpoint of about $1.25. That's not bad. 10 contracts, that'll cost me about 1,250 bucks. That's a little bit much for an earnings trade. I'll drop it down to 5 contracts. Net debit limit order 1.25. Let's see if that gets filled. Call. How much is this going to cost? Let's see. That's a $630 trade to make another 6. Let me get up 10 contracts. That's okay by me. Snap's up again today, over 7%. That Facebook trade did not fill. Let's see order status. It's live. Most I'll go up to that is, you know what? I'm better off waiting until the end of the day to make that. So I'll just cancel this order now.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Don't try to reach.
Because you might get some profit taking before,
And
just
it's
like
still the
Google.
first
Remember
15
Google
minutes.
did yesterday? She had a big sell-off at the end of the day there. I mean, it had a good earnings and it popped, but
Let's see how that first 15 minutes looks when the dust settles.
she's really climbing off that 10 though. I mean, if she breaks 193, She's probably going to get to that 195-ish area today. There she goes, 192.44. Halliburton's still on the climb, guys. I got to jump into Halliburton trade while I'm waiting here. Look at the Halliburton chart here in the back.
We have some doubters on Halliburton with the oil crisis.
Oh, you're always going to have doubters. These oil trades are going to be big profits
Demand
for
is
us.
going to go higher.
Exactly. We've
Everybody's
been talking
opening
about
up.
it.
Everybody's turning their cars on.
Halliburton's getting right up to that 50 now, breaking through that. I think 1250 is an easy target for Halliburton short term. Maybe even July or October. Let's see October Expo. What's that's going for here? That's pretty darn cheap there too.
Morgan Stanley says oil demand will not reach average 2019 level until Q4 2021. Morgan Stanley says expects oil prices to stabilize with WTI at $40 a barrel, Brent at $45 a barrel in 2021.
So that's pretty good. They're saying oil is basically going to double
Double.
By 2021.
Good.
So with that said, we should go out with our January 2022 Expo for Halliburton. That could be an easy big winner there. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with the January 15, 2021 Expo. Same as before. Let's see. Call January. We could do a shorter term if we want to and pick up this. What do you think? You want to go with the July, or what do you guys think here on the YouTube chat? Let me know. Do you guys want to go with the the July Expo, or do you want to go with the January Expo? I feel comfortable making either one there. So you guys let me know. Chime in quick, either in the chat room at breakingchartalerts.com or on this YouTube chat here. Let me know.
Michael Echo Sandy Alpha resumes now. Mesa off the highs now at 419. Michael Echo Sandy Alpha.
Facebook in the back here, as you can see, it's still holding that 10-day SMA on a today 1-minute chart. Walmart had a drastic pullback here.
Walmart. Ugh.
Not happy with Walmart. Still has some time though. It's at that 20 right now. All right, so let's see. Vincenzo Fiacco says January. Vinny Altamiro says longer term. Dave Gallo says July. Andre Bellin says January. Mr. Elephant, January. All right, let's do January, and let's do this.
January wins.
January 2021. I like both, to be honest. Obviously, the shorter term will have a much bigger pop if oil continues to climb. You know, those options are going to make much more money with that shorter term expiration than going with that January.
You like July? I like January.
Yeah, but January's good. That's a good trade challenge trade. You know, something to make a quick 50%, maybe 100% on, especially while we're waiting for USO to rebound. USO is going to be great, you know. I'm a firm believer. I think USO is going to be great.
I think it's hit its bottom.
Yeah. I mean, USO is up over 4% right now, you know.
Is that just a spike on the news? Or
That's the spike on the economy
opening
up.
Split.
It's the same thing with Halliburton, ExxonMobil. Everything's getting a pop. There goes Facebook breaking that 193. I'm going to go back in now. I'm going to go to the, let's see here. I want to see it break that 193. Wow, look at that soar order status. Market is climbing. Market's in breakout momentum. Facebook's going to 195. I'm going to put this vertical spread in here. It's at 135 now. Let's see. I'm going to put it in order for 140. If it fills, it fills. If not, we're good. Let's see. Let me do 1.35. See if that fills. Buy to open. Oh, I went to the option chain there by accident. Order status. change.
Shares of Facebook climbing to the high, 190.
There you go. You heard it.
Bravo.
1.35. Not filled.
Apple spiking to
Apple spike in here too, guys. Get
haven't
in.
heard Apple in a while.
Alrighty, Facebook 1.40 for that vertical spread. Let's see what it fills at. There we go. She filled 7.65 minus 6.26. We got filled at 1.39. 1.39. Let's get that out. Facebook's soaring here, guys.
May 1st.
Facebook. This is a higher risk earnings trade.
High risk earnings trade.
Is the consensus.
May 1st, right?
That's for this week's expo. Yes, sir. May 1st, 190, 190.250. Looking good. Alrighty, now let me get back to my Halliburton here. Look at Facebook taking off there, guys. What a climb there on Facebook. Looking good. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up and share it on social media. There's only 18 likes here. We've been making some really great trades here, guys. The spread was it's right here, guys, on the screen. You can see it right here. There's no need to ask me. It's the Facebook May 1st 190 and the Facebook May 1st 192.50. So we have the 190, 192.50 vertical call spread on Facebook. This is a higher risk earnings trade. Max gains with Facebook above 192.50. Max losses with Facebook below 190 a share. So perfect setup here. Facebook's taking off 193.85. There she's heading 194. She just broke 194 there. 194.12. She's heading for 195.
Let's go.
She's taking off.
Let's
Facebook.
go.
Alrighty, Halliburton now. I want to make a trade on Halliburton.
Trade challenge. We should make that sound effect.
Mike, I've been given an explanation on USO every day. I think that's going to continue to climb. Here's the USO chart here. Here is USO. Let's look at the 3-month daily. It bottomed out on here. Obviously, this is the reverse split. So we're bottoming out right around 17. Let's see her get back up quick to that 10, around 23. And we get up to that 23, we should have a nice rebound on those USO contracts we have. Looking great there, guys.
Facebook, you see her going to 200 for target?
I see Facebook going to 200, yeah.
And
but for our target, all we needed is above 192.50.
190.
So 200 target isn't going to do anything. But yeah, I do think it's going to get up to that 200, you know, especially with the implied move on that. We could take a look at that later.
And stop.
The stop, there's no
Very
stop.
short.
It's a high risk earnings
Yes,
trade.
it's
It
everything
reports
but-
after the bell. It's either you're
Whatever
going
it
to
is.
blow your money on that, or you're going to have a nice, what is it, 2.5, divide that by 1.39. You'll have an 80% return, or you'll have a total loss. That's the way to
High
look
risk.
at it, and
That's
that's
what it is.
that's how you have to
That's
look
how
at
you
it
play
and
earnings.
see. You know, and you have to be prepared. Tell yourself, hey, this might be a total loss here, so I got to be prepared. What am I willing to lose?
Mhm.
You know, people that put $5,000 on a trade and then, you know, they have a total loss, they're like, wow, what did I just do? Well, that's piss poor management and, you know, risk management on your portfolio.
And you won't do a straight call.
I'm not
On
into
earnings.
earnings. No,
No.
not into earnings. Absolutely not. I mean, I will do straight call if something's cheap, you know, but something like Facebook where you're paying $800 for a single contract, you know, yeah, I could get one single contract, put that in,
Yeah.
you know. But I
Leverage.
like that setup with the spread better, you know, above 192.50 max gains. Looks good. I think Facebook's going to see 200 by the end of this week if they're optimistic like Google was. Okay, so there was our current trades. Let's show that we closed those. What did we close Delta at?
Delta was at 480.
How about Facebook?
1190. Halliburton 275.
And 3M, we are still in it.
Might want to take a look at your messenger.
SYF Synchrony Financial May 22.5 call sweep on SYF Send the Yankee Foxtrot.
USO starting to climb again there.
UAVS at Eagle hitting new highs now at $1.08. Uniform Alpha Victor Sandy. UAVS.
Let's see here. Alrighty, we just updated those trades.
VRAY, view spiking here, $2.10 to high. Victor Romeo Alpha Yankee, VRAY.
Okay, let me share with you guys now what we just did.
BXMT, Revolutionary Michael Tango getting an upgrade to a buy at Bank of America. That's BXMT. Shares of Blackstone Mortgage Trust at 22.22, up $1.33, and about 6.25% now, getting an upgrade at Bank of America. BXMT.
What's today's date? 29th, right?
Yep.
Alrighty, guys, so here is what we did today. There we go. Let's go over what we did today. Alright, so this is from
Coming up in 5 minutes. Coming up in 5
This
minutes.
is today,
Sales month over
April
month for March
29th.
minus 10%.
April
Expected.
29th.
That's coming up at 10
These
p.m.
are
Eastern.
realized profits. Today's realized gain, and these are just from the trades we made, what, yesterday? We were live yesterday, right?
Morning, yep.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's from yesterday. What's today, Wednesday or
29th.
Thursday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Wacky Wednesday.
So as you can see here, here's the opening transaction. Here's the closing transaction. Here's the symbol. Here's the date we entered, the price we entered, and the cost of the trade. And then here's the closing date, closing price, and what we sold it for. So the Delta trade, let's figure it out here. What do we have? We sold it at 4.50 and we bought it at 2.76. 4.5, divide that by 2.76. That's a 63.04%. Facebook sold at 11.98, 11.98. Divide that by what we paid, 10.13, and we have an 18.27, 18%. Halliburton closed at 2.7. We were in at 1.99. That was a 36% gain. So you see here, guys, just by taking advantage of that little pop there on those 3 trades, we could have held them for much larger profits if we wanted to. But what we're doing is we're locking in those profits and moving on to the next trade.
Well,
Use these profits at $3,348. Use those profits as, what's that?
Snap.
Snap is climbing nice.
Snap is popping. Oh, we got the contractor here.
How you doing?
So it's gonna be, the cables are about every year.
Hey guys, we got the contractor in real quick.
In front of everyone, so we're gonna have to wait until like 11 before we do anything in here.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So again, let me pull this back up here on Snapchat. Yeah, tell them what we need to eat. Alrighty, so 63%, 18%, 36% on those 3 trades there. Quick, $3,348.84. Now, all we have to do there for proper risk management, trade management, money management, what I like to do is take these profits now that they're let's say $3,400, and we can take that $3,400 and use that in our next trades. That way, if we do have losses, we're not going back on our initial capital there. So that's important there. So that's what we're going to be doing with the Halliburton. Maybe we could put about $2,500 into Halliburton and something like $1,000 either into a shorter term earnings or something shorter term expiration like this week or next week's expiration. Okay,
Grumman
perfect,
says
thank you.
COVID-19
Appreciate
impacts
it.
on materials
Base
for
plates
one
and
segment
jacks
results
and all that
testing
stuff,
are
so
Early.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Northrop Grumman.
Alrighty, guys. What's that?
We got a good 20 minutes.
All right, I got about 10 minutes here, guys. He's coming back. He's going to do that mount. Snapchat's really taking off here. Take a look at Snap. We're still in the
Snap is
Snapchat
snapping.
trade. Did I put that Snap trade up there? I think I did, right? Snap. I hate when everyone fucking has their own schedule, you know? Like, they don't come to us, say
I
nothing
told
to
them
us, you
to
know? Like,
call us.
they just walk in while I'm live and say, hey, I'm here to do the internet.
I told Celia, do not come between 9:30 and 11 and 2 to 4. Any around that time, do not come.
Man, it's like... Okay, what did I pay for Snap? 1.78. Okay, that's up, on, done. That Snap trade's going to be a big one. I'm telling you, take a look at Snap there. Snap is ready for a big breakout to 18 bucks. If Facebook reports well, Snap's going 18 bucks at the end of this week. So I'm telling you guys that right now. Snap is unbelievable. That's a nice setup on Snapchat. I think that's going to continue to run there. Keep an eye on Snap.
Dave, before we jump off, can we look into that trade idea?
Halliburton, let's do that now then quick. But here's the thing with Halliburton, it's pulling back now. You know, do I want to wait until she breaks above? Here's where I'd wait until she breaks above 1033. If she breaks above 1033, then I'd look for a trade on Halliburton. It's up 8% right now. I think that's one we should make in the afternoon. That way,
That'll
you
be an
know,
afternoon.
that way they know, hey, we're definitely going to be making a trade on it this afternoon. They have to join us. They have to be either a live, a pro trader and join us in the live video, or, you know, they'll get the text, email, whatever they want. Yeah, Javon, I agree. That should be overnight. That should be done overnight. I'm really pissed off about that. Nothing I could do. That RCL trade's up 51% today. We're only down 20% on that RCL trade now. After
remember
just
that
being
came
down
back
over
for, like,
80%.
That was pretty bad.
And that's what I mean about our trade plan.
Swing trade.
You know, and that's why we get the expirations we have. Don't worry. You should talk to them. Remember you were telling me about, you know, they're worrying about the minute chart for swing trades. They shouldn't be doing that. They should be worried about the daily charts. Take a look at Snap. It's been holding above that 10 the entire time. Now it's getting up to that resistance number 1 at 1732. And then we have second resistance right at around $18.10, 15 cents. And then we're looking again at around 19.50, 20 bucks. So I think Snapchat's going to be a big winner out of this pandemic. I think she's going to continue to 20, and I think we're going to see Snapchat at new all-time highs by summertime. I really do. Snapchat's a great opportunity. I think that's going to continue to run. So keep an eye on Snapchat, guys, all right? I have to get off of this thing right now because that guy is going to do something quick. He said it's not going to take long. Once he's done with that, I'm going to jump back on, and I'll be in the trade room for you guys. This is on a different internet, so I'm still going to be in the trade room, but he's got to make some loud noises, and I don't want... So I don't want to do anything like that while he's working on that. There goes Halliburton climbing again there. So we're definitely going to be making another trade on Halliburton here. So be ready and be prepared for that. The Snap trade, Vincenzo, we have the Snap July 17 strike call. You know, and that's looking great there. And take a look at Halliburton here. Here's their... And this is our trade plan. We had this... Do you see this with the NTZ, the BDM, the NTZ, bomb cycle, breakout momentum? As you guys could see here with Halliburton, she's just crossing above that 50 now. If we get another green candle tomorrow, I'm probably going to be making a much larger trade on Halliburton for the 2022 Expo. I might be putting about $25,000, $50,000 into that trade. You know, because oil is only going to pop from here. I think we saw the lows in oil. You know, we definitely did.
And you made a good point yesterday on
Yeah,
oil,
we
that it's
talked
not
about
just the gasoline, it's also products.
It's everything.
Makeup.
When our life's at a
Ulta's
standstill,
going to reopen.
when yeah, we went to Office Depot the other day, yesterday or whenever it was, and there's an Ulta right there. Every time I see it, I'm like, Ulta, it's at $217 a share. It's dropping. It's at 52-week lows here. You know, whenever I see that, I don't know how people can pay so much for those products.
Crazy.
You know, that's insane. But there's Larry Culp, Chairman, General Electric, Chairman and CEO. GE is back
GE
in the
missed.
green now. It reversed. GE was down huge this morning.
They reported because
But they reported and they were down big this morning. She's climbing. That 1020 cross is coming up on GE. That's going to be a nice trade on that GE. We have a longer term trade on GE, guys. The January 21st, 2022 Expo. Alrighty, I hear him coming now, so I got to get off here, guys. He's doing this one last thing here. We just did that. He's going to be with you guys in the trade room. I will too. But for the video, it's going to get really loud, so I'm going to cut the video now, and I'm going to be back on at 2 p.m. on the website. Alrighty, guys, so if you guys need us, please get on there and sign up. And if you guys want to come join us, you guys could go to... You guys could go here to breakingchartalerts.com. You could click join now. If you guys see here, here's our homepage. And no, that's the internet cables there that's getting worked on, whoever said that in the trade room. So here's our website, guys. You can see we post all of our newsletters every day, our current trades, breaking news, anything that's relevant to what we're doing here. So we're really on the top of things now. Trade alerts are here as well. If you click on the trade alerts tab, and you can see here's the trade on Delta, closed for 63% gain. It's looking nice. Here's the Halliburton trade. Let's see, did that trade get closed here? No, that trade wasn't closed on the website yet. You didn't close that? Send the alert on it?
The alert was out.
Let's see, Facebook was closed there. Look at this. We were talking about Gilead the other day, all the buyers coming in. Remember? That was definitely insider buying. Remember we were talking about that? We even made a post
big call
about
sweep?
it. Yeah.
We made a trade specifically for that.
That was huge. That was a big call. We did well with that, guys. So if you guys want to join, go to, and then, of course, live trading video. This is for the afternoon pro traders. You guys could go here. And if you need me or Efrain, you guys could click on the Facebook symbol right up above here. And that'll get you guys right to us. Okay. Let's see here. Oh. So that's how that looks, guys. And then if you want to join, click join now. And if you want, you use the professional trader 12-month, $2,000 a year. Use promo code stimulus. It'll be 25% off. It'll be $1,500. So come join us. Get signed up now. I'm going to let him do this thing quick here, and I will see you guys shortly. Alrighty, guys, take care.
See you guys.
God bless,
See you in
and
the
I will
afternoon.
see you in the afternoon. Alrighty, guys, bye-bye. Keep an eye on Halliburton. Snapchat's continuing to run. Facebook's breaking out. It's looking like a great day today, guys. So be prepared, be ready. Alrighty, I'll see you guys shortly.